Welcome to Masala Buzz. We bring to you the latest happenings from the world of showbiz. Today's top stories are:
Dhoom 3 crosses the 200 crore rupees mark in India. Sonakshi Sinha has no big plans for her future. Who are Shah Rukh Khan and Abhishek Bachchan's new dietitian? Yash Raj Films must be laughing all the way to the bank. Dhoom 3's box office collections have reached 211 crore rupees, and looking at its pace, trade pundits predict it will soon cross the benchmark set by Chennai Express, which became the biggest grosser by earning 216 crore rupees. Dhoom 3, released on 20th December on around 4,000 screens in the country, the film is estimated to have been made on a budget of about 100 crore rupees by Yash Raj Films. Rajesh Thadani of Multimedia Combined said the film has collected around 211 crore rupees only in Hindi all over India. In other languages, the film has collected around 10 crore rupees. As far as overseas collections is concerned, the film has almost collected around 100 crore rupees. So, in totality, Dhoom 3 has collected over 300 crore rupees, which is terrific in 9 days. If Dhoom 3 maintains its collection, then it will break the record of Chennai Express according to Sanjay Ghai of Mukta Arts. He is confident that it will cross 300 crore rupees in India, provided the film doesn't show any dip in the collection. Thadani too predicts the same. He sees the film anywhere in the range of 250 to 300 crore rupees as it's doing exceptionally well.
ऐसी तैसी कमीने जाता है कि दूर.
Sonakshi Sinha has said that she is not madly ambitious, asserting that it doesn't figure in her line. The Lutera actor said that she would not be falling over people to bag roles. Elle Official India reported. Sinha said that she guessed that this came from being from an established family, explaining that when one is so used to seeing all the fame, all the adulation, it stops being a big deal. She said that she doesn't have a psychotic attachment to a Bollywood career like a lot of girls, asserting that she is happy being where she is.
आजा तुझे भी मैं करा दूं कमन चेपे डिस्को डिस्को कमन चेपे डिस्को डिस्को कमन चेपे डिस्को कमन चेपे डिस्को.
Now we wonder if Sona has taken Kareena Kapoor Khan's housewife comment on Coffee with Karan 4 too seriously. But all jokes apart, we think that she should be serious, as only then will people want to see of her, knowing that she wants to continue being a part of Bollywood. After all, we feel the theory of no pain, no gain certainly does have some weight in it. Shah Rukh Khan and Abhishek Bachchan are on their toes literally, all thanks to a certain Mr. Sonu Sood who flaunts a perfect set of abs. On the sets of Farah Khan's directed Happy New Year, Sonu is making sure that all his co-stars are fit. Everyone is following a fitness regime. For the last schedule, she was absent for 10 days and everyone told her that they gained 2 to 3 kg in that period.
चेरी के अंदर डायमंड रिंग था.
What Farhad?
When they were shooting, everyone used to have salads and junk food was not allowed on the set. Quiz him how he does it and Sonu says he remembers he hid Shah Rukh's chocolates in Dubai and he was hunting for them and he knew that he must have hid them. So when he has everyone who wants to be fit, they are on their toes. They still have a long schedule of 80 to 90 days and he thinks after 90 days, people will see a huge change in everyone. The film also features Boman Irani and Deepika Padukone. Well, that's one hell of a way to keep everyone fit. Sonu, keep them running in the hunt of their chocolates.
Hi, this is Isha Kopikar. Watching Bollywood Masala. Keep watching.
ये फुटबॉल कौन है? कैमरा खाली वाला जरा।
Brought here because in the middle.
Running or pakkan.
Yeah, we will. बच्चों के साथ अरे कल सुन रहे यार
Please don't demand. Thank you so much. Please guys. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, you can keep clapping. Behind the entire expedition, Dr. Awasthi.
Shri Om Puri Ji, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a very overwhelming experience for me this morning. I was aware that a lot of good work is done in the medical field towards little children, but coming here to Surya Hospital, seeing the facilities, and most importantly the dedication with which Dr. Awasthi has garnered so many important and prestigious brains from all over the world, from all over the country to come and rescue these little children who perhaps will or have had no chance of survival, and to give them life. They are truly God's angels, and I would like to compliment you for this wonderful work that you do. As someone who has spent a large portion of his life in intensive care units and hospitals, I can vouch that the facilities that I saw today are really, really magnificent. And I feel very proud that we are able to do this here in our country, in our India. I, as I said earlier, have been the victim of many injuries and many hospitalizations, and I've had to put my body to severe tests and rigorous treatment. But the one thing that I was very proud of and very sure of was that I wanted my treatment to be done by doctors here in India and not abroad. Because I have entire faith in their caliber, in their expertise. And I say this with utmost modesty, that some of us have the means to go outside the country and get perhaps the best treatment done in other parts of the world. But I felt that our team, our doctors in our country are proficient enough and of the same value that there are in other parts of the world, and therefore I've always subjected my body to them. I'm very happy that a similar kind of sentiment is being expressed in the formation of this Surya Hospital, where we are trying to get, as Dr. Vasti was just telling me, other doctors from various parts of the country to come and join into this movement, I would like to say. A movement because I gathered from Dr. Vasti that not many people are giving the amount of care and attention that should be given to this side of the medical profession. Yes, there are hospitals, and yes, there are pediatric divisions and sections that look after children, but to have a unit that is concentrating purely on little children and looking after every need of theirs is just remarkable. And I am so impressed and so proud to be here today. You mentioned, Dr. Vasti, that there is a foundation that now will work towards furthering this cause. And if I may, in any manner, be of some help to this foundation, either through my voice, my presence, I'm here and submitting myself to it. And if in the future there's any work that you would require me to do for it, I'll be more than happy to do it. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope you realize what a wonderful morning it has been today to find such dedicated people working for little children, for their lives, making them all right, making them into better citizens that this country needs. Thank you so much.
Charming girl. Rarely you'll have a photograph of two Supermen together. May I invite Mahisha and parents? Comes to see us with a glowing smile. Ladies and gentlemen, clap louder. She could be the next Mary Kom. Come on. Raisa Pathak. May I now invite Dian and Divyansh Matre and parents?
Years back, I had clicked photo with Amitabh Bachchan, and today I am with my kids at Vaman Guruji studio.
May I now invite Viraz Gaidanian family. These parents have traveled from Nasik. This baby was quite sick in Thank you all, my little friends, as I always call all babies in the NICU. You are source of our strength. Thank you one and all.
मैं थोड़ा सा इनके बारे में बताऊंगा। इन्होंने मेरे साथ मजमा में नाटकों में काम किया है। बहुत शौक है इनको एक्टिंग का और अभी भी है, जब भी मौका मिलता है कूद पड़ते हैं। इनका जीवन बहुत ही मॉडेस्ट जीवन रहा है। लोग कहते हैं कि बच्चा जो है लकड़ी के चम्मच से पैदा हुआ, उसके मुंह में लकड़ी का चम्मच था, लेकिन इसके पास चम्मच भी नहीं था। तो मैं आपको एक ऐसी शख्सियत से मिलाना चाहूँगा जिन्होंने इन्हें पैदा किया। आप सब ने मदर इंडिया देखी होगी, नरगिस जी का पार्ट देखा होगा। उनसे भी कहीं ऊंची तकलीफें इन्होंने झेली हैं। मैं चाहूँगा कि वो ज़रा आके यहाँ दर्शन दें।
Come on, one more point, applause.
अमित जी
Bollywood. The world's most prolific film industry. Presenting a 360-degree view of the biggest and the best moviedom. Bollywood Masala brings to you the latest from Bollywood. News.
John is extremely excited about this role as it is completely different from what he has done before.
Views.
I think they are the next superstars.
Previews.
सभी बहुत उत्सुकता से इंतजार करते हैं उनके हर फिल्म का। मुझे भी इंतजार है। I'm really looking forward to this film. It's going to look fantastic.
Interviews.
पढ़ते रहते हैं कि सब राइवलरी है, बदतमीजी है, गुस्से हैं, झगड़े हैं। जेन्युइनली ऐसा मोस्टली नहीं होगा, वरना क्यों 30 एक्टर किसी और एक्टर की फिल्म में आकर काम करें।
जो किरदार मिलेगा वो मैं किरदार करूँगा।
The glitz and the glamour. The triumphs and the failures, the highs and the lows at the box office, collection figures, film distribution and market analysis, public opinion.
Firstly, it's a Prakash Jha production.
I'm actually interested in Naseeruddin Shah's son. I want to see how he acts.
Events coverage. Behind the scenes.
एक अच्छा मौका मिला मुझे प्रकाश झा के साथ काम करने के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे उनकी फिल्में बहुत पसंद है।
On location. studio roundup.
उड़ने दे बहने दे म्यूजिक की लहरों में खोने दे खुद को तू अजनबी चेहरों में.
Music and movie countdowns. The complete package.
Hi, I'm Shah Rukh Khan.
Hi, this is Johnny Ram.
Hi, this is Mahesh Bhatt.
Hi, this is Aftab Shehzasani.
Hi, I'm Raima Sen. Hi, I'm Amrita Arora.
Hi, this is Farah Khan.
Hi, this is Arjun Rampal. Hi, this is Shreya Sarpat. Hi, this is Vikram Bhatt.
All the viewers, I'm Kangana Ranaut.
Hi, this is Isha Kopikar.
Hello everybody, I'm Samir Reddy.
You're watching Bollywood Masala.
Bollywood Masala.
Bollywood Masala.
Bollywood Masala.
Bollywood Masala.
Keep watching Bollywood Masala.
Bollywood Masala. Bollywood Masala. Bollywood Masala.
Bollywood Masala.
Bollywood Masala.
Keep watching.
Bollywood Masala, your gateway to Bollywood.
Game's not over.
Welcome to Masala Buzz. We bring to you the latest happenings from the world of showbiz. Today's top stories are:
Shah Rukh Khan is happy that people are uttering the name of his forthcoming movie. We tell you what Sanjay Dutt was up to at Salman Khan's birthday. Was Veena Malik having a live-in relationship with a gay ex-employee?
जिसको जो भी है करना वो कर लो, इधर ही मैं हूँ खड़ा पकड़ लो, घर पे जाके तुम गूगल कर लो, मेरे बारे में विकिपीडिया पे पढ़ लो.
Come December 31st and you will see Shah Rukh Khan, the undisputed king of Bollywood, beaming with childlike enthusiasm, riding high on the success of his last movie, Chennai Express, which is one of the biggest hit of the year. SRK is now looking forward to his next, directed by Farah Khan. And this new year will ring with the free endorsement for SRK's much talked about venture. The Badshah is thrilled with the thought that people all over the world will take the name of his upcoming film Happy New Year to welcome 2014. He tweeted saying that as cheesy as it may sound, but this 31st, most of the people in the world will say the name of their new film as a greeting. Directed by Farah Khan, the romantic comedy also features Deepika Padukone, Abhishek Bachchan, Boman Irani and Sonu Sood. Many people wondered why Sanjay Dutt, who's out on parole, was missing from Salman's birthday celebrations, though some said he may have been spending time with his family. However, we now hear that the actor more than made up for his absence the next day. On the actual date, December 27, Sanju drove all the way out to Panvel to be with buddy Salman and the Khan family. Apparently, he arrived at the farmhouse at noon and had lunch with the family.
शेर खान बेईमानी का धंधा भी ईमानदारी से करता है. हाथ से ये हाथ दोस्त का है, criminal का नहीं.
After which he left at around 4:30. He also managed to elude the hungry paparazzi when he reached there. What was touching was to see Salman hop on his bike and escort Sanju's car all the way to the main road when the latter was leaving to return to the city. The last time they were together was a night before Sanju went to prison in Pune, when Salman spent some time at Dutt's house. It takes us back to the time when Sanju was a star and Salman was just entering films. Salman was completely in awe of Sanju's physique, and the latter personally trained the then upcoming actor at his gym. Some friendships just get better with time in Bollywood. We all know that Veena Malik does everything to stay in the headlines, and this time, the skeletons of her closet have popped out to ruin her marriage. She recently married Pakistani businessman Asad Khan, and we thought that the controversies would lay low for some time. However, Veena's escapades in her past continue to keep us entertained. Now the story is that a few days back a guy called Prashant Singh filed a complaint against her, saying that she threatened him and his mom over the phone. She allegedly also threatened to accuse him of rape and molestation charges if he speaks to anyone about their relationship. Bean, on the other hand, obviously has a different story to tell. The Pakistani heroine is trying to save her face by claiming that not only is Prashant just a staff member who loved to click pictures with her, he is also gay. Now, as much as this story might fool her husband, we think this story is as true as Salman Khan being a virgin. We think it's a terrible way of attracting media attention. What with her being married, she should think about her hubby's reputation at least.
मैंने सोचा कि रिपब्लिक डे 26 जनवरी को मैंने अपने सारे देश में इन अ टोटल ऑफ 10 सिटीज़ 12 फोटोग्राफर्स को चुना और उनको कहा कि देखो मैं आपको फ़ोन भेज रहा हूँ, आप शूट करिएगा, 24 घंटे में जितना काम होता है भेज दो एंड आई विल क्यूरेट द फोटोज़ and then we'll have a great party and exhibit the shots. The criterion of choosing the photographers really was people who I knew, whose work I trusted. I took a balance between people who were photojournalists, people who were advertising photographers, and so on. So it's a magnificent body of work, and as Mr. Gujral here will tell you, it's something I'm really deeply grateful that LG has taken the trouble to sponsor, because I think for them it's a statement that they're here to stay, and it's something that can start a legacy. यानी कि आप सोचो कि अगर हर 26 जनवरी को अगर 10, 15, 20, 30 फोटोग्राफर अगर अपने देश में घूम के फोटोज़ उस दिन पे ले, only on the smartphone, and the phone is so incredible with absolutely the best camera I've used in a long time. I think in 5-6 years we'll have an incredible library of photos that will exist. और 5 साल के बाद आप रिवाइंड करके देखोगे तो उनसे कि अच्छा in 2014 we had some completely unbelievable shots which started with the Immersive India project. So I'm really happy. Like genuinely बहुत खुशी हो रही है because I have not had such a good time. कहते हैं ना अपनी विजुअल बैटरीज रिचार्ज होती हैं. ताकि 20 साल फोटोग्राफी करने के बाद होता क्या है कि I think you start getting jaded a bit. तो औरों का काम अगर देखो और उनको इंस्पायर करके खुद इंस्पायर होते हैं. I think इस बारी मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि it's been a fantastic battery recharge for me. आई थिंक होगा यही कि जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ के लॉयर्स हैं वो एक क्लॉज ऐड करेंगे कि अगर कुछ लीगल हासिल हो गया देन द ब्रांड विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट एंड दे वोंट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आई थिंक होगा ये कि सेलिब्रिटीज़ विल बी मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल अबाउट व्हाट दे एंडोर्स. सो एंड इन दिस केस मैं कहूँगा कि ये फ़ोन तो कमाल का, मुझे कोई सू नहीं करेगा, ये मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ. आई विल नॉट फेस एनी लीगल बैटल्स बिकॉज दिस द बेस्ट कैमरा आई हैव यूज्ड इन अ लॉन्ग टाइम.
अरे बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन है. कुछ 12 फोटोग्राफर्स हैं जिन्होंने 26 जनवरी को कैप्चर किया है अपने तरीके से एक स्मार्टफोन LG फ़ोन के ऊपर. तो बड़े कमाल के फोटोग्राफ्स आज देखे हैं मैंने. एंड ये फोटोग्राफ्स मतलब they are really worth they're splendid, they're too good, they're very nice. भाई आजकल तो लोग कैमरा कम यूज़ करते हैं और जो अपना फ़ोन है वो ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. तो और फ़ोन्स पे भी अच्छे क्या बोलते हैं पिक्चर्स आते हैं. तो people generally don't carry a camera anymore, they carry a phone which has a good camera. बस अभी प्री प्रोडक्शन चल रहा है एंड अप्रैल में हम शुरू करने वाले हैं. तो पहले आई थिंक वो ब्रांड आने से पहले जो भी वो प्रोडक्ट के जो गाइडलाइंस है पहले तो गवर्नमेंट ही उसको पहले सुधारे कि वो ऐसा प्रोडक्ट आ सकता है कि नहीं. आने के बाद कोई भी एंडोर्स करे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. उसके साथ झूठ बोलना वो प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. बट आई गेस एनी प्रोडक्ट दैट कम्स इनटू द मार्केट फर्स्ट हैज़ टू हैव अप्रूवल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. एक बार गवर्नमेंट का अप्रूवल है, उसके बाद कोई उसको एंडोर्स करे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
हो गया?
जब भी टूर्स पे रहते हैं, हॉलीडेज पे या काम के टूर्स पे, अभी टूरिंग तो चालू है इलेक्शन सीजन में, तो उस समय कैमरा लेके नहीं घूम सकते, तो फोटोज मोबाइल पे लेते हैं, स्टेज से हो या गाड़ी से हो।
मैं मोबाइल से फ़ोटो कम लेता हूँ, लेकिन अतुल ने बहुत ही अच्छी कल्पना सामने लाई है और यकीन नहीं होता की इतने सुंदर फोटो मोबाईल पर खींचे जा सकते. अतुल थँक्यू. खरंच खूप छान प्रदर्शन आहे आणि मला असं वाटतं मोबाईलवरनं काय आपण फोटो काढू शकतो त्याचं एक अतिउत्तम उदाहरण तो सबसे पहले खुद की लायबिलिटी गवर्नमेंट को.
पूरी दुनिया मोबाइल पे आजकल, तो मैं एक्चुअली इतना मोबाइल पर्सन हूँ नहीं, बट क्योंकि मेरे काफ़ी दोस्त यार हैं जो इस इवेंट में अपनी तस्वीरें, अमित रॉय मेरी अगली पिक्चर के जो डायरेक्टर हैं रनिंग शादी के, एक्चुअली उन्होंने भी काफ़ी तस्वीरें खींची हैं, तो बस ऐसी सबकी फ़ोटोज़ देखने आया हूँ. मैं यार एक्चुअली फ़ोटो खींचता नहीं, खिंचवाता ज़्यादा हूँ. देखिए मेरी एक खबर में आ रही है runningshaadi.com, जो आप आई थिंक सभी को पता है सुजीत सरकार ने प्रोड्यूस की है, एंड अमित रॉय जो बहुत बड़े कैमरामैन रह चुके हैं, उनकी पहली फिल्म है, सो वो आ रही है. मेरे ऑपोजिट तापसी पन्नू है जिन्हें हमने चश्मे बदूर में देखा था, और उसके बाद गुड्डू रंगीला जो सुभाष सर की फिल्म है, सुभाष कपूर की, उसकी वर्कशॉप चल रही है, तैयार हो रहे हैं, और वो भी बड़ी ज़बरदस्त और खतरनाक फिल्म है. आई थिंक वन हैज़ टू टेक द ऑनर्स. आई थिंक लाइफ में हम कुछ भी करते हैं तो हमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक अगर मैं कोई प्रोडक्ट कभी एंडोर्स करूँगा, एंडोर्स करने से पहले मैं हमेशा एक छानबीन करूँगा कि इससे पब्लिक को क्या संदेशा जाता है, यूज़र को क्या संदेशा जाता है, और अगर वो सही होगा तो करूँगा. सिर्फ पैसे के लिए कुछ कहीं भी खड़ा नहीं होगा, और अगर करूँगा तो फिर तन मन धन से अपना कार्य जो है पूरा करूँगा.
Instagram and Hipstamatic and बहुत सारे apps हैं ऐसे. So I'm really looking forward to it. I think this is one of the coolest things about technology or photography apps. Finished wrapping up a film shoot, Bobby Jasus. There is some spare time to be able to attend and support friends. मैं यहाँ पे आज अतुल तस्वीर के लिए आई हूँ। उन्होंने एक बहुत ही खास शाम आयोजित किया है आज, जहाँ पर चुनिंदा फोटोग्राफर्स को उन्होंने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक दी कि रिपब्लिक डे के दिन अलग अलग शहरों की रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेशंस को अपने फ़ोन कैमरा से कैप्चर करें. आई थिंक इट्स अ लवली थॉट एंड आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट सीइंग व्हाट द photographers have managed to capture on Republic Day. I think the cutest Valentine memories always are when you're younger and you're in college. You get a lot of attention, you get flowers, you get chased, you get followed home. It's sweet. It's really, really sweet. आप fans से मिलते हैं, cards, letters, little notes. Twitter पे बड़ा मजा आता है Valentine's Day के दिन. It's a nice day to express how you feel for someone, and I think as actors, we really get pampered by our fans on that day. It's a lovely day. I think this is a very, very good law. I think it's very important because when you are a public personality and you associate yourself, your name with a product, you are in many ways responsible for what that product is doing. And मैं सबके लिए नहीं कह सकती, लेकिन मैंने अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में ये जो लॉ आने से बहुत पहले हमेशा ये लॉजिक को अप्लाई किया है. मैं हमेशा ये देखती हूँ कि हमारे जो ब्रांड वैल्यूज़ हैं, जो ब्रांड एथिक है और मेरा जो पर्सनल एथिक है, उसमें तालमेल है या नहीं. और मैंने हमेशा समझा है कि मेरी जिम्मेदारी है कि मैं कौन से ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट करती हूँ और क्या वो ब्रांड वो सब कुछ करता है जो वो ब्रांड प्रमोट करता है. ठीक है, टेबल रखा है तो क्यों दिखा वायर का रहने देना भी. डैड के अलावा जिस पे था उस पे शादी कर ली. मैडम